In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a pricing table to your Webflow project. Whether you're a seasoned Webflow user or just getting started, adding a pricing table is an essential skill that can enhance the functionality and professionalism of your website. A well-designed pricing table clearly presents your services or products, helping your potential customers make informed decisions. So let's dive right in. To begin, navigate to webflow.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look for the All Sites button. This is where all your projects are listed. Click on it to view the sites you've been working on. If you're managing multiple projects, this is a great way to keep everything organized and easily accessible. After you've clicked all sites, take a moment to browse through your projects and select the specific site you want to work on. Click on the site name to open it. This will take you into the Webflow Designer where all the magic happens. The Designer view is your canvas for editing and enhancing your website's layout and content. Now that you're in the Designer, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find the Add Elements panel. Click on it. This panel is your toolbox filled with all the elements you can use to build your site, from div blocks to images and everything in between. Next, in the Add Elements panel, look for the Layout section. Click on it to reveal a variety of pre-designed templates and structures that can help streamline your design process. Using layouts can save you time and provide a consistent look and feel across your site. Within the Layout section, you'll see an option called Starter Library. Click on this to explore a collection of basic layouts that are great for getting started with various website components, including pricing tables. To find a pricing table, use the search function within the Starter Library. Simply type pricing into the search bar. This will filter the results to show you all the available pricing table designs. These pre-made components are incredibly useful as they come with preset styles and structures, which you can customize to fit your brand's aesthetic. Once you've found a pricing table that suits your needs, select it and then click on it to add it to your page. This table will now appear on your canvas, ready for you to customize with your specific pricing details and design preferences. And there you have it, a pricing table added to your Webflow site in just a few simple steps. You can now customize this table further, adjusting colors, fonts, and content to match your brand and present your offerings in a clear and attractive way. Remember, a well-organized pricing table not only looks professional, but also helps guide your visitors toward making a purchase or signing up for a service. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and has simplified the process of adding a pricing table to your Webflow site. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy designing.